Hello friends, today's topic is top air purifying plants. Devil ivy or pothos. Golden pothos is an easy to grow indoor house plant that will fight off common household toxins. It adds instant color in any room with cascading tendrils and grow well in water, pots and hanging baskets. Toxin removed: xylene, benzene, formaldehyde and trichloroethylene. Draft date palm. Draft date palms are the babies of the palm family. They are relatively easy to grow in partial shade. Toxin removed: formaldehyde and xylene. Peace lily. Their glossy green leaves make the perfect addition to any room, especially those spots with low light. Keep them happy with weekly water. Toxin removed: benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene. Philodendron. The heart-shaped philodendron is a luscious addition to indoor spaces. Philos are relatively easy to look after. They just need moderate water and bright indirect sunlight. Toxin removed: formaldehyde. Spider plant. They thrive in indirect sunlight and survive in just about any condition. Spider plant also sends out shoots of the baby spider plants called spaderites. Toxin removed: formaldehyde. Rubber plant Ficus elastic. They hardly a plant that love bright filtered light and weekly water in summer and fortnightly water in winter. Rubber plants can grow in small pot or to be encouraged to grow into a large indoor tree in pot or straight in ground. Toxin removed: xylene, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Boston fern. The easy to grow fern is known for its sword shaped fronds, which make it perfect for hanging basket. The Boston fern thrives in humid environments and requires consistent moisture. Toxin removed: formaldehyde and xylene. Areca palm. Areca palms are great for bigger spaces. They are powerhouse when it comes to eliminate toxins, and they are even non-toxic to dogs and cats. Toxin removed: benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene and xylene. Dracaena. Dracaena can grow up to 15 foot tall, making them perfect for filling voids and big spaces. These love indirect sunlight, but under no circumstances should be placed in direct sunlight. Toxin removed: xylene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde. Snake plant, otherwise known as mother-in-law tongue, is a succulent plant that can grow up to 2 meters in height. It is a low maintenance plant that is hardy and thrives on neglect. Be careful not to overwater as it thrives in dry conditions. Toxin removed: formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, benzene, and xylene. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't hardy for its inflammatory properties, repairing wounds, and helping with sunburn. But it turns out it's a great air purifier too. They thrive in warm, well lit rooms, growing brown spots on their leaves when amount of harmful chemicals is extreme. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. The Chinese evergreen plant comes in many varieties and one of the easiest indoor house plant to grow. They tolerate most conditions but thrive in well-drained soil, humid temperature with medium to low light conditions. Toxin removed: formaldehyde and xylene. If you like this type of information, then please subscribe to my channel.